Guys, welcome back. Even though we have 28 subscribers, but still, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing
Nightmare mode on Demonology.
Yep. So wait, let me go turn down my game settings real quick. Okay. Nightmare mode. Let me buy some stuff from the store. I'm gonna buy like everything.
Okay.
I'll see you guys when we start there. Okay, so I'm gonna start by grabbing the thermometer and the laser and the cross.
I'm gonna got video camera. Wait, what about photo camera? EMF? Actually, wait. Okay. And then I'm gonna
Let me look at our objectives.
Let's trust it.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Wait, let me get the other cross. Now, give us a second while we search around for the ghost room. I think it might look be the office. It's 15.
15 in the office?
Yeah.
I'll turn on the lights there. Okay. Do we have a cursed object? Alcohol? Ooh.
What?
EMF went up in the living room.
Did you check the office?
This office? Is this the office? Right? Okay.
Ooh, might be the master bedroom.
What's in the master bedroom?
17. Run.
Okay.
Ooh, my god.
Kinda early.
I didn't see the cross burn. Did you?
I believe it did. I have no idea.
I think it spawned from over there. I think it's from the office.
It spawned in the office, yeah. Okay, so when...
Ooh, did it just go to red or no?
It's on orange, it's at 4.
Oh yeah, because sometimes the EMF can glitch during hunts, so.
Yeah, it's at 4. It's not gone to 5 yet. Not yet, okay.
Ooh, completed objective 3.
I'm gonna go drop my flashlight and go get the...
Okay.
Ooh, okay. You can have EMF for now.
Wait, the cross is not even burned. Wait.
Maybe the cross didn't work on it? Sometimes the cross doesn't work. Where's the cross? Oh, it is not even done.
Oh, we probably have to place it in the ghost room.
I guess. I think it might be the office.
I think it might be. Ooh, the cross is burned.
Now it's burnt, right?
Yeah. Do you have a photo camera?
Yeah. What's EMF?
I don't know. I don't have an EMF.
I think it's you. You have thermometer, right?
Yeah. The cross also burned again.
Both of them?
Yeah, they both burned.
Oh. Okay. I have...
Both of them are burned. I think it's gonna attack us, but I still don't know which one's real.
Yeah.
It came from that side of the house.
So, office, right?
Yeah.
I placed the camera in the kitchen already, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I placed one in the office.
Wait here, you take the thermometer. I'll take EMF. Let me see what else I can grab.
Black light? We need black light.
Black light?
I'll get black light.
Okay, we'll grab spare blocks.
Oh, did you check for orbs?
Did you check for orbs?
Not really seeing any orbs.
Wait, go check for cold temperatures.
You have no evidence, right? Try spirit box. It might tell us which room it's in.
Spare box? Okay.
Actually, place down the salt so we can use black light. I'll get spirit box.
No, I haven't.
Oh. Okay. Ooh.
Okay.
Good thing I didn't walk in. Okay. It's blowing a bunch of stuff.
It might be Levitant.
Yeah.
Wait, no, but Levitants don't talk.
Do they?
No. Oh, it must be Entity, maybe.
Does Entity control stuff?
Yeah. Oh my god, bro, the items are all flying.
Yeah, I can see that on the camera.
Might be Entity.
Ah, it turned off the cameras, bro. Yeah, the cameras are back on. Where'd it go?
Okay.
Okay, I'll place on the salt.
Did you turn the lights back on?
What?
Stop. I had to use the spirit box.
No. You would use spirit box.
If I'm trying to see where the ghost room is.
Use for Mama to.
Ooh.
I can't even walk in, bro. I found the ghost room.
Okay, so, it might be a ghoul, because ghouls become enraged if they hear talking.
Yeah, it's being kind of angry. Turn it off on the cameras, bro. What's the EMF?
Oh, 3.
3?
Yeah, but this EMF doesn't count.
Let's just projector. Okay, is it over? Okay, it's over. I'm coming in now. Did it interact with any of the salt? Did not interact with any of the salt. I'll go place.
Where is the ghost room? Did you find it yet?
No, I have no idea what it is. Maybe it might be the pantry.
Pantry?
I'm not that good.
Let me grab the photo camera.
It's not as cold in oh, it's getting. Oh, it's living room. It's way colder here than everywhere else.
What is it?
It's at freeze Celsius.
Oh, yeah.
Everywhere else is like 20. Okay, look. Okay. You got living something?
Yeah.
I'll go place the last bit of salt in the living room. Got flowers.
Flowers of apple inventory.
I'll get flowers then. Hold on. Give it salt.
Can you grab so I can take a photo? Oh. Ooh, I missed that photo.
What's EMF? I dropped the.
I think that red. Is that red?
Hey, God, give it to me.
I know. The EMF is inaccurate during hunts.
Okay, it's over.
Okay.
Not attacking while I place down this. That would be kind of bad. Where's my maximum go? Why did I drop it?
Outside. Okay, bruh. Crouch.
You're really bad at this.
Whoa, because like you were like in the way.
I literally crouched.
Not in time enough. Wait, can you go out and then go back in?
What?
Go out and go back in.
Oh, this scales is falling.
Crouch right now, bro.
Can't be entity, but we don't have any handprints. No laser protector yet. If you place laser protector in the right spot, it might not be the living room. We gotta check everywhere else.
I mean, it was the coldest there.
Yeah, but we have to check.
Oh, and earlier since we were in the bedroom and it hunted, it would have killed us because if it spawned in the office, it would have killed us.
Let's check bathroom.
It's outside, bro. Is he hunting again?
No, that's footsteps. Okay. Did it go on laser protector? This one's taking a while.
Should I grab a lantern?
Yeah, place it in the dark spots.
Ooh.
This ghost, actually.
Yep, it spawned from the living room.
It did?
Yeah.
Now tell me the living room is the ghost room.
It's like floating.
I do not like this ghost.
It's like flying and floating.
Yeah. Is that ghost that? Is that EMF or something? This ghost.
Wait, do you hear footsteps?
No.
Wait, it's not Umbra though.
It cannot be. It cannot be an Umbra. Wait, there's an Umbra here. I can't see no Umbra. Yeah, it is right there. It cannot be an Umbra.
It's like floating weirdly.
Exactly. Okay, you can come in now. This is step assault. Finally. Black light outside. I can see it.
Hope, I was outside doing my business, picking up the lighter, and all the items just floated.
Yeah, I saw that. It's
Whoa.
Again, I don't like this ghost.
I don't want to be outside anymore.
Like everything outside started floating?
Everything, bro.
Everything inside also started floating. I mean, Leviathans do that, right? Right?
Yeah. Bro, I'm just trying to come inside. How do I light a lantern?
With a lighter.
There we go.
It might be entities. It's like to look away a bunch of stuff.
No, it I was just standing outside trying to light the lantern, and it like floated up and then went back
Everything's
down.
floating. You can come on now.
Are you sure, bro?
Yeah, I just tested it.
What is this chair doing in here?
It floated in here. Do you have... Okay, I got your black light.
It's not out there, I'm pretty sure.
It's over here, I think. Those flowers are not over there. I dropped it
Bro,
somewhere.
I'm trying to like get this chair out of here.
Did I drop it outside or did I drop it inside? Oh no, I dropped it right here.
Please be footprints.
Footprints, yeah.
Footprints?
Yeah, there's footprints over there. I do not like this chair.
Yeah, it's like 100% entity or spirit.
It's 100% entity. What is spirit? It's not spirit. Okay, if you have spirit, you gotta go drop a lantern somewhere. If it changes the color, then
Okay.
it's a spirit. Do you have a lantern on you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Just drop it somewhere. If it changes the color, it will be a spirit.
But if they don't, it's entity or carries.
Exactly.
Carries speed increase of each kill. Target the lowest.
Do we have ghost riding? I need to check that.
I don't think we dropped it close enough. Right?
You have to check river, ghost riding, or laser protector.
Okay.
Wait, where did I drop that?
Is it over here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, my bad. No ghost riding.
No ghost riding?
Actually, I think we placed it in the wrong ghost. Actually, did it throw it?
Mm.
It teleported, because this was in the living room, right?
Wait.
100%
No.
empty, Anton. Place a lantern.
We shall place in the living room.
No river, and no... I basically hate this ghost.
Oh my god, bro. It's even hard.
It just flew us out!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Flew me!
Bruh. It's even hard.
It just flew us out!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Flew me!
Oh my god, bruh.
What was that?
Oh my god.
It just teleported the chair!
I made it back inside. Wait.
Did you push me out?
No. Wait, it targeted you. Is it a carries?
It teleported the chair.
Yeah, but then it attacked you. Not me. I was out too.
Well, how much energy? Well, the energy water is broken. I guess. I think it might be a carries or entity. I have no idea, but I am saying it's an entity. What is this ghost?
I saw that. That was so funny. Does a corpse count as a picture?
No. Did you just take a picture of my body?
It counted, bruh.
What is wrong with you, Kate? Yeah, it's over.
I'm gonna go check the candle. No, the candle is still yellow.
Lantern, you mean?
Same thing.
So, not a spirit then.
The book is not. What is?
Book is not written then. Laser projector? Where is laser projector?
In the living room.
What?
I see it.
Oh, it's laser projector! It's an entity. 100% entity. That was laser projector. Come on, it's entity. 100%.
I'm gonna wait till the next hunt to get out.
You did all the... It's 100%.
Is there a laser projector in here?
Yeah, that's 2 laser projectors, I believe. 100% entity.
Yeah.
No, wait, it's too much to get out.
No, I'm not going till the
Yeah,
next
just get
hunt.
out.
I'm not going to the next hunt.
Okay. It's a hundred. Where is it? Yeah, laser projector is right here. Yeah, it's in the living room. This ghost is right. How ugly. Where'd it go? It's in the kitchen.
Ooh, I swear it's like taunting me.
I think it is taunting us.
Cause like, why is it going so close to the closet?
I'm just following
Is it teleporting?
it. Sometimes. 100%.
It's. I swear it's freaking taunting me, bruh.
100% today. It just disappeared. Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm leaving. Circle entity. I'm out.
It's entity.
I'm out. I'm out.
I'm not too. That took a while.
There's no way it's not entity.
What? What? How? It had laser protector.
Oh wait, what?
I don't like this guy.
It didn't wither though.
Yeah, it's not river, did it? Doesn't need to.
Oh, cause the ghost room was the laundry room.
Ah, so we weren't even in the right room then. There's a laundry room?
The laundry room is where the laundry machine is.
So that's the bathroom then. Yeah, let's go back right into the rooms thing.
You wanna do one more quick round?
Sure.
Let's do easy mode, cause like I'm tired of
Easy
nightmare.
They literally attack us early. I don't like this.
Okay, ready?
Yeah,
No, the way you just like died was so funny.
It literally kicked me out, ma'am.
Okay, keep watch of our energy. 100. Why do you always like to light candles?
Because it counts candles.
Lantern. Am I lagging?
No. Wait, look. You're not lagging.
No. What? Whose arms are those?
What arms?
Look. What arms?
Oh!
I think those are my arms.
Okay, so why nobody buy any photo cameras?
Because I thought you did.
I thought you did.
What the freak? My arms are just stuck there. That's kind of creepy, but okay. Yeah, cross.
You gotta spread them out around the house, you know.
Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see that. My arms are just there, but it's okay. I'm still laughing about how you died. Yeah, I told you it was a carries. Cause like I was like, what if it's a carries? Bro, my whole game is glitched. I can't even see the thermometer.
What?
Like I can't see the temperature.
Did you turn it on?
Yes. No, like I don't even see it. I don't even see the laser projector. I can't even see the spirit box. Look, I dropped it and it like, where'd it go?
What spirit box?
There goes our spirit box. Oh, it's right there. It's right there.
Where?
The closet. You're gonna have to do everything, cause like I don't know if you can see, but like
You have to.
my whole game is freaking glitched. Where's the room? Let's go. Oh, one of my arms are there now.
What?
Like only one arm is there.
This is the ghost from last time, right here. Where are you?
Yeah, I know.
You haven't seen this.
That's the smallest laundry room I've ever seen.
Ooh, it's not that bad.
Bro, I'm just gonna go outside and bring out the items for you. Oh, my other arm's in the floor. Wait, let's complete this round. Ah, you scared me, bro. You scared me.
What?
I thought my whole arm came to life for a second.
What? That's the name of
I'm dropping everything in the kitchen for
a
you.
lot colder in Master Plan. You at least try to help that.
I can't see anything.
You can't see. Just how my screen is. Your screen up.
Look, when I pick it up the black light, nothing there.
What's this thing?
Wait, God, let's just do this easy mode. When I pick up the flowers, nothing there.
Oh my god.
Whoa, I just threw that flower super far.
Oh, it's cold in here.
Where?
Master bedroom. That's an underline.
I can't even see the video camera. Oh, but I can turn it on. Let me search for ghost orbs. you place the cross in there?
No, because you hogged them, bro. Yeah.
No, I dropped them all in the kitchen for you.
That's lower than one in here.
Lower than one.
It's like not negative. That's a not easy answer. Wait, but that's the answer my box works.
Oh, damn.
Okay. That just scared me.
Talk to it more.
I don't like it. I don't
Talk
like
to
it
it more.
I'm behind you. It's hot, guys.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
So, wait, let me check our energy outside.
Yeah, laser protect is working. I don't see.
Oh, I hate my freaking arm. It's like curling up.
How do you have the lowest energy?
It's because I'm running too much. It's not alright. It's not alright. Wait, low-key, is it alright? Because, like, our energy went down pretty fast.
Yours went down like by 4. Your energy is going down.
It might be alright. Let's get more evidence.
Let's just swing it.
No.
I'm saying it's alright.
We need to get EMF level 5. Oh, I hate my arm. It's, like, so creepy.
I'm still so scared to go now, really, because it goes like, I'm behind you.
It's a taunt. Check the EMF. I can't do anything, bruh.
I don't like this ghost. It's 5. It's wave. I'm sorry. It's 5. Let's go. You ready?
Yup.
Okay, that was a lot faster than the last one.
It's because it's easy mode, bro.
Yeah, I know, because nightmare mode is kind of... Yeah, okay.
So pro.
Alright.
See you guys in another video.
Alright.
Have a great day. Thank you. Goodbye.